Today, let's understand what loss function in machine learning is. So before actually getting into the concept of loss function, I'll tell you how a machine learning model practically works. So first you give some kind of input. After that it will compute the weights and it will give you the output. Okay. Now suppose the output which I expect, I know my output is 10, but my machine learning model gives me an output of 5. So what happens in this case? In this case, I know that my machine learning model has some kind of error, and this error is also named as loss. So what can be my loss? My loss can be 10 minus 5, which is 5. It can also be 10 minus 5 raised to 2, which is 25. Or it might be some other complex mathematical function which involves 10 as well as 5. Okay. So this is loss function. This way in which we use some mathematical function to compute our loss is our loss function. So why do we use loss function? Loss function is used to adjust the weights, and when weights are adjusted, we get better models which fit better to our data. Okay, so that is the concept of loss function basically. So suppose my loss function in the first epoch is the iteration. We go through the data once, we adjust the weight. So after adjusting the weight once, suppose my loss function's value is 5. Then with respect to that, the weights are adjusted again, and next time maybe my loss function's value is 2. So that is how we expect the loss function to work. The loss should go decreasing after every epoch to get a better model which optimizes better on our data set. So this is all about loss functions in machine learning. I hope you like the video. Subscribe to our channel, like the video, comment as well as share it with your friends. Thank you.